this is Gloria's
The director?
song.
Has he been through here already? He just left. I need to speak with him.
He's coming back.
He's coming back. Wonderful. I need to speak with him because, of course, other people want me to be in their film projects, things, other things. In fact, Oxnard High School wants me in the production of Gypsy as the beautiful young stripper. Oh, I love making a film. Wasn't it wonderful working on the film, everyone? Getting up early at 6 a.m. to be in hair and makeup. Oh, it was wonderful. I just love being in pictures and films. Of course, they don't make them like they used to anymore, do they? Oh, no. I remember when you really had to act in a film to be seen, to be understood. Now you can talk in pictures. How difficult is that? Go ahead, please. Please. I have a song I'd like to sing about the old days of pictures. May I sing that for you now? Would that be all right? Oh, wonderful. Let's see, I'm gonna lay the stage, I think. No, I'll stand in the middle. I don't want to be in the way. I really get going. Here we go. With one look, I can break your heart. With one look, I play every part. I can make your sad heart sing. With one look, you'll know all you need to know. With one smile, I'm the girl next door, or the love that you've hungered for. When I speak, it's with my soul. I can play any role. No words can tell the stories my eyes tell. Watch me when I frown. You can't write that down. You know I'm right. It's there in black and white. When I look your way, you'll hear what I say. Yes, with one look, they'll forgive the past. They'll rejoice I've returned at last to my people in the dark, still out there in the dark.
Gloria!
Oh, thank you, guys.
Gloria, where are you going? She disappeared. Oh, Gloria!
Oh,
Return to me.
somebody calling me?
Oh, yes.
Oh, Cesar the Philly.
Of course.
Oh, so good to see you, Cesar.
Thank you.
Nice to see you. Oh, look at him in shorts. A grown man in shorts.
That's not funny.
Oh, he has nice legs, doesn't he? Yeah.
Gloria, where are you going?
Cesar, I wanted to talk with you about being in your next picture.
Well, you were in my other picture.
Yes.
That's right. And I casted you pretty well, I think. You're special.
Thank you, Cesar.
But you were a little upset about that. I heard.
Well, yes.
I cast her as the mother. Not as the ingenue. You can't be young just all of a sudden. Film.
I managed to keep my being, my body, my instrument in good condition with 2 words. Yoga and yogurt.
Yep. That's pretty funny. Ladies and gentlemen, I casted her. I'm going to tell you what happened on the film. She has one line and delivered it like a professional. And here's what happened. As soon as the curly goes by.
Cesar, this is really a tight squeeze.
I know, this is the biggest traffic
and a
there
lot of food going by. All right.
Little boy goes to run across the field. Faster than, he comes to the back door. Comes in. He says, Mama, do this. He said, Mama, can I go find my puppy? He's lost. And the Gloria says, Perfect casting. That's the truth. Now, Gloria,
Yes.
that was amazing.
Thank you, Cesar.
Now, I never belittle my actresses and actresses. This lady has won the Academy Award before. Who would like to see a scene from a film in which she won an Academy Award? Who would like to see that?
Yeah.
Gloria, please provide us with that opportunity so they can hear.
Film, yes, okay. All right. I need to prepare again.
She's in the preparation. Look at what she did.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, that's all she wrote.
Thank you, Cesar.
You're welcome.
Wonderful working with you. I look forward to being in your next.
Back into the makeup
Thank
table.
you all. Thank you. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Thank you, fans.
Give her a big hand.